Buzzy Bee by Karen Wallace. Buzzy Bee has work to do. She crawls out of her hive. She spreads her wings. Buzzy Bee is looking for a flower. Buzzy Bee flies over a stream. She flies past an oak tree and into a field. The field is full of wild flowers. Buzzy Bee lands on a flower. Each flower holds sweet drops of nectar. Bees make nectar into honey. Nectar and honey are food for bees. Buzzy Bee laps up the nectar with her long, narrow tongue. She will take it back to the hive. Each flower holds grains of pollen. Flower pollen is food for bees, too. The pollen sticks to Buzzy Bee's furry body. She brings it to the hive on her two back legs. Buzzy Bee is a worker bee. Inside the hive, there are thousands like her. All worker bees are female. Buzzy Bee dances a dance. She waggles her bottom. She crawls in circles. Her dance shows the other workers the way to find the flower nectar. Inside the hive, the bees make cells. Some are for the honey the bees make from nectar. Honey cell, pollen cell. Some are for the pollen the bees have collected. Some are for the eggs that the queen bee lays. Egg cell. Buzzy Bee has work to do. First, she feeds the drone bees. All drones are male. The drones mate with a queen bee. Then Buzzy Bee feeds the queen bee. The queen bee lays 1,000 eggs every day. Inside their cells, the eggs hatch into bee grubs. Buzzy Bee and thousands like her take some pollen mixed with honey. They feed it to the hungry grubs. Buzzy Bee has work to do. She feeds the bee grubs every day. When the grubs are 9 days old, she seals their cells with waxy covers. Inside their cells, the bee grubs change. They grow legs and wings. They grow long, narrow tongues. In 12 days, they change from grubs to bees. They crawl out and wait for their new wings to dry. Buzzy Bee and thousands like her touch the young bees with their feelers. They make them welcome in the hive. They feed them honey from the cells. Buzzy Bee has work to do. The young bees are hungry. Where can she find more flower nectar? Where can she find more flower pollen? Look! Another bee is dancing. She's found a garden full of flowers. She waggles her bottom. She crawls in circles. Her dance shows Buzzy Bee how to find the garden. Buzzy Bee and thousands like her fly from the hive. They find the garden full of flowers. They drink the nectar. They take the pollen. Buzzy Bee has work to do.